laughing at, punk?
Wow, that sounds like a little freaking kid. What you laughing at, punk?
That's all, folks.
He frolics away.
Whoa! Big ass spider.
Oh my god.
Take that. That shit was huge.
You're scared me
Watch out for the
Look,
What?
it's like right there.
Watch out for the cat.
Wait, just duck. I swear to God, I'm not gonna do anything. Just and then move a little closer. Hate spiders.
Me too.
All right, poke at it or something. Maybe it'll not bite you. I don't know.
Maybe it won't bite you.
I don't see it anywhere.
It's like in this corner over there.
It's in that other corner over there at the very end.